Yo, yo, it's Baltimore rapper Kyng Vynce from the tribe of Benji Records. Today I'm going to be telling y'all how you could upload music to Soundcloud. Alright, so I don't know if y'all heard, but Soundcloud gonna be paying niggas different this year. Like they the first of all time, they changing the game up. Instead of us uh, divvying up the scraps at the bottom of the pot after the big artists get the main percentage for bringing in most of the revenue to the streaming service. Instead of it being like that, if I have a person that comes to SoundCloud for me alone and they only listen to me, I get how much that they pay to subscribe to SoundCloud uh in royalties. The example I believe that they gave was like a $500 boost. But anyways, that's just going to say SoundCloud is definitely stepping their game up. Y'all need to stop sleeping on SoundCloud and go back to uploading y'all music to SoundCloud. So I'm gonna be doing other videos on how to make money off your streams on SoundCloud and all that. So with all that being said, first things first, let me go ahead and sign out. Okay. Now that I'm signed out, I'm gonna go to the home page. And this home page should be what anybody typically would see. I mean, just to be sure, take that out. Boom. So this is the page that anybody that comes to SoundCloud will see, right? And at the bottom you see it say create account, explore new trends. They showing you what artists. We got some big artists on SoundCloud, and these the big artists I was talking about. They getting the big, the big pot. But then we got some people we don't know, and they mixed in with it, right? They mixed in. So start uploading today. We want to hit that, right? When you hit start uploading today, it's going to take you to this page, which basically gives you a brief overview of what how you can connect to your fans on SoundCloud, and you know how you can pretty much play a SoundCloud link anywhere for real. So you're gonna come up here, and you could either hit this upload button or upload your first track. It's gonna take you to the this menu here. Now you can go ahead and, if you got a Gmail, which most people do, you can go ahead and put your Gmail in, or your Apple or your Facebook. You can connect it with Facebook. But if you really want the best out of your if you really want the bang for your buck, I would personally recommend you do the Gmail. And let me go ahead and put mine in. Uh, and boom, I'm in. Now, being as though I hit, upload my first track, and I logged in, what you would be doing is, creating a new profile. It takes me straight to this page, where then, I get to choose my file to upload. All right. And let's just say I'm gonna redrop this, right? And as you see up here, it's telling you what file types is accepted for the highest quality audio, right? It shows you the progress of everything going on, basic information. This pops up for a new feature they have, whereas though you can write a caption like you do on Instagram, because SoundCloud is a social platform. So you can message people, send them your audio tracks and all that. So you know okay, I got it. You got your metadata, the permissions. These tabs are very important. I'll be getting into them in other videos, but just for upload purposes, right now I'm showing you how to upload to SoundCloud. This will be the step after creating your account and connecting it to your email or whatever, however you want to create your account. On this page, you can then upload your artwork. And I'm gonna choose this. This is from my project Slumdog Millionaire, right? And this artwork doesn't even go with this, but just for example purposes, right? The title of this song is About It, right? And as you see, the title is going to change the URL overall. And notice if I put my name in, they're going to say you don't have to put your name in the track title because they're going to, make it look good for you. So I like to just stick to it. So your genre, it's very crucial that you choose the right genre. So this song is a Baltimore club song mixed with a Jersey club song. But I'm not going to choose disco or alternative rock. That wouldn't make no sense. It's not going to give me the right feedback, or it's not going to feed the algorithm the way it needs to. So being as though I'm rapping on this club beat, I'm going to choose hip hop and rap because typically when somebody listens to the club joints, they're not really looking for anyone to be rapping. So being as though that may be fresh to the original ears of those genres, I'm going to stick it in the rap category because I am going to be rapping on it, regardless of the club beat, right? So another thing that's very important when you upload your track is the additional tags. So you want them to be very specific to what you're uploading, and don't jump all over the place. Make sure it's something that has something to do with your release. So I'm going to choose About It, Kyng Vynce. Okay, let's see, Baltimore Club, Jersey Club. All right. So moving on, you can fill in your description. Me personally, I like to give a full description of what's going on the song, what inspired me. It depends on how I feel on that particular day, but I make sure to include the proper keywords. So let's just say Kyng Vynce, About It, produced by DJ Fresh, Club King, you already. Uh, Follow me on IG at Kyng Vynce, right? And then you got the caption section, and at first they ain't really had this, and they saying it's optional. You don't have to put it, but I'm gonna put a quote from the song. My city, no, um, about it, about it. All right, Kyng Vynce. All right. So right underneath of that, you got the privacy section. Um, and you could either choose for it to be public, meaning you're releasing it right now, it's live and active. Uh, the private section, the private button, where you could send a secret link to promote the track to people you want to hear it, but it hasn't been released yet. Um, or the public can't hear it, but the people you send the link to can hear it more so. And then you have the schedule. Let's just say you aren't next to your computer, or you know exactly what day you want it to drop, but you don't want to have to rush last minute or whatever. You want everything to just happen. You could schedule a date. You know, when you hit schedule, it asks you what day, what time you want it to be dropped. You want to stick to private for this one though. So after all of this is filled in, you can hit save. What? Right? And when you hit save, it's going to tell you, it's going to ask you, do you want to master the track? Right here it says mastering on SoundCloud, powered by Dolby, right? I've tried it a few times. It's pretty good. It all depends on the original mix of the song. I mean, if this mix is terrible, the master's still going to be terrible. So don't get your hopes up and think it's going to be a miracle or something like that. But it does sound good, and it has flexibility. All right, so okay, I got it. And right here you have your URL that you can share with your fan base. You can share with your potential fans. Um, and it's private, so the only people that's going to be able to hear is the people that you share this link to. But if it was public, it would still have the same link there, but you would now be promoting it to people for them to listen, and the public will be able to do so as well. And as you see, your tags is right there on the song. Kyng Vynce is right above about it. That's why they don't want you to put your name again. Um, yeah, so you have officially uploaded a track. You can share it on your social medias. And when you hit go to track here, you see how it looks to everyone else that comes to this song that clicks on that link, right? And right now it's private, but you could change that easy. You just hit edit, go back to the bottom, and this page look familiar because y'all been here before. You just filled this out, and you would hit public. But I'm gonna leave it how it is, right? And if this was a part of a playlist, or you want to put a part of a playlist, you can add the playlist. Um, these are automations that your people want to see that when they come to listen to the song. Add next up if they got something planned that's coming next up. You can share. You got the link right there, same link. The master track is right there for you to see, for you to master the song. Um, yeah, and these are things that we're gonna see, but the public isn't. So you've officially uploaded a song to SoundCloud, and I wish you good luck. And subscribe to my channel. Like this one. If I gave you good content and you found value in what I was speaking of and what I taught today, and I'll be doing more videos on how to monetize your music, how to get more streams, how to get more followers on here. So stay tuned. Like I said, subscribe, like this video for the value, and yeah.